Make the floor out of thick cardboard. It looks like a paw. The second piece turned into a bear silhouette. Choose wallpaper colors. And now let's connect the wall and the floor. Wow, these are really paws! Highlight the sides of the floor and walls. Pastel pink will make the room look so cute. Take pieces for a future bed. Put it together. Install a bottom panel. Now it's time for drawers. What a nice front! Add sides. Someone spilled beads. Take one for a handle. Attach a drawer. Separate the top part with a cute fence. The bed will go there. Add a top layer. Add a frame to the bear. There is a window with a canopy and a shelf. Wow, there are even shutters! 3 drawers go right on the bottom. The rose is blooming! Let's snip off a stem. Put it in a tiny flower pot. The bear's favorite flower is on the windowsill. Cute bear, hello! LaLiLu Craft is working its magic on the toy. Snap! The bear shrank. Put the figurine near the flower. Fold some polka dot fabric to get the right shape. Complete it with a tulle insert. Ribbon, come here. Cover the bottom layer. A piece of fabric plus stuffing. Snap! A cute pillow will go great with the sheets. Now the bed is a comfy place to sleep. A little LED light will make the atmosphere more magical. And the bear won't be scared of the dark. A striped sheet and pillows will make the top bunk more comfortable. Here is a fairy tale book. Reading will help the bear fall asleep. Now put the bed in the center of the room. Sweet dreams are made right here. We have some parts for the stairs. Pink board. Whiteboard. Step after step, it's getting taller. Stomp, stomp, we're finally at the top. Getting on the top bunk is very easy now. Put all the parts inside a cup. Shake it. Voila! The magic of LaLiLu Craft created a nightstand. It has Bear's favorite book and a crystal vase with flowers. It looks so cute. Make a slide. Connect the sides with a partition. There is a support on the bottom for a smooth slide. Cut out a foam paper strip. Going down this slide is so much fun. The room is full of surprises. You go up the stairs to sleep and go down on a slide. It's every kid's dream. Wow, there are so many stickers. Which one do we choose? Star, come here. It will decorate the top of the slide. Bear, show us how it's done. Wow, this slide is so tall, but I'm not scared. Make a doll table out of a few pieces. A paw-shaped tabletop is so unusual. Everything is ready for a tea party. Pieces connect to make a small chair. A back with a bear face. Secure it with nail polish. What's hidden under the cups? It's another chair. And one more.
Wow!
There's enough room for everyone. But we have 2 cups. Let's leave 2 chairs near the table. And the third will go in the corner near the slide. Wow, a rocking horse! The bear has been dreaming of having one like this, but it's too big. Let's make a smaller one. Like that. Add a pair of wheels. Let's do the same on the other side. Hold the handles so you don't fall. This is our bear's first vehicle. Horse, welcome. Attach a LED light inside a cap. Hide extra wires behind a frame shaped as an animal face. Let's connect them. Pull the wires through an opening in the bottom. An old block got 2 new batteries. We need to attach the lampshade and the second bulb. Put in the batteries. Snap! Soft light filled the room. Hide the batteries behind a door. It looks so much comfier this way. Wow, the bear got his first guest. The cat really likes the tiny room. There are so many things in here. Meow, your place is so comfy. I want to take a nap. Many drawing of bears are inside the frames. And clocks. Now the wall over the bed is decorated with pictures. There are beads in a tin box. Let's borrow a couple for flower pots. There are plants growing in each of them. Now the house has lots of greenery. That's beautiful. Make a couple of cubes out of pieces. Every kid's room needs cute toys. This fabric is so soft. Cut out a rectangular piece. Oh, it's a fluffy carpet. Put it near the bed. Now the bear's paws will be warm. Andy's learning to spell by using alphabet cubes. This magic room will impress everyone. It's so cute and comfy that you want to stay here forever. Mary brought her favorite Hello Kitty toy to Bear's room. A warm light attracted their attention. Wow, look how beautiful it is here. I'm so glad Bear invited us. He promised that we'll have donuts and tea for breakfast. Let's look around. Oh, I see that you like riding your horse. I want to try too. Whee, so fun! The doll is exploring the bed. First, she needs to climb up. Step by step. It's so comfy here. Cute pictures on the wall. These are probably Bear's drawings. Cool, I can get down on a slide. Yay, let's fly. Hold on. Oh, there is something else here. She climbed on a chair and saw the clock. Oh, too bad I can't tell time yet, but I'll learn how to do it when I grow up. I'm so happy that Bear invited us to his housewarming party. He has a beautiful home. Tomorrow we'll go on a new adventure. And now it's time to rest. Sweet dreams, Kitty.